Hello and welcome to Brainatic. Today we are going to learn a very easy way by which we are going to use a Linux environment on a Windows desktop. So for the Linux environment, I'm going to have Ubuntu and I'm going to create a virtual platform. And for the virtual platform, I'm going to use VirtualBox. So let's get started. We'll open the browser and the first thing we'll search for is VirtualBox download. The first link which comes, we'll open that. And as you can see, we are using a Windows desktop. We are going to download the package from Windows hosts. I've already downloaded it, so it will look like something like this. VirtualBox. Now, the next thing which we are going to download is Ubuntu. We're going to search for Ubuntu download, and if you click on the first link which is available, a web page something like this will come. Ubuntu 22.04.1 LTS is the latest version. We're going to click on download. It will download a ISO file which is of around 3.6 GB in size. Now, we'll click on the executable file for the VirtualBox, click on yes, and the installation will start for the VirtualBox. We'll click on next. Next will not change anything in the settings. This warning is nothing critical, and yes, install. Now we'll wait for some time as the installation completes. This will not take much time and the installation process is very quick for the VirtualBox. So by the time we complete, our VirtualBox installation is complete. Now we have launched the VirtualBox. Let's create our hardware requirement for the system. So when we click on new, we are giving description for our system. So I want Ubuntu. I'm going to name it as Ubuntu only. We'll click on next. Here you can give some memory requirement which you have. So I'm fine with 4 GB maybe, 4000. Yeah, one processor is okay to me. 25 GB of hard disk is fine, and finish. So now my virtual system is ready. All the information related to the virtual system which you have just created is available here. Okay. Now go to the settings. On settings, you will find storage. Click on storage. Here you have to provide the ISO file for the Ubuntu. As you can see, it is empty right now. So we are going to navigate, choose a disk file and provide the ISO file. So it is there in the downloads. I'll click on it and click OK. Now the file is available. ISO file is available. We'll click on start. A small window will pop up. As you can see over here, the message powering the virtual machine up is coming. Soon, a small window will come like this. Uh, the keyboard capture will be automatically enabled along with the mouse capture. So if I close, press enter, and Ubuntu installation process has started. As you can see, Ubuntu is getting installed in my system. Now once Ubuntu is ready, it will look something like this. We'll just wait and this option will come. So we want to install Ubuntu. So this installation will basically happen on the virtual machine and not on your desktop. You have to select the language which you want. So I'm going with English over here and I'm clicking on install Ubuntu. So keyboard layout English US, that is comfortable to me. Click on continue. Normal installation, download updates when installing, continue. Yeah. So this is fine because this will not delete anything on your virtual machine. This will work only on your virtual machine and will not delete anything on your desktop. So I'll click on install now and continue. We'll select the time zone. We'll provide some username to it. So Ubuntu, and you can give some password of your choice. continue. Now the installation process has started. This is going to take around 30 to 35 minutes. Now once you have let the installation process complete, a message like this appears. So basically your installation is complete. You need to restart the computer in order to use the new installation. Give the restart now command. And after the restart, you will have your Ubuntu ready. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe.